start her the videos. So let's go to here and my vlog and PM all is sunny day. It's very sunny day. Okay, wala akong ginawa kundi mag-vlog dito sa home. I never going to mall. It's December parties, enjoying people for Christmas holiday, eating parties and decoration. You know what? I'm so very tired. Gusto ko lang talagang matulog at saka tinatamad ako, everybody. Wala pang gastos. Nga lang, mayroon kang muta because you're sleeping right. Okay, papakita ko yung yung kakao. Bumubunga na kasi ang kakao. So here, so nakita nyo na, diba? So alam nyo na gagawin for cacao and yellow for skin and dry to sun. Ibilad nyo, tapos pag natuyo na siya for long the 10 days or 5 days, depende sa lakas ng araw. Tapos yun, yun na sa kawali, saksangag nyo na siya, balatan nyo na, tapos yun na chocolate na yun for your blender chocolates experiment. Okay, thank you so much. Follow for more with the content reacted so much better. Thank you so much. Bye.